As we learn, adapt, and evolve, so must our tools. Today, we hold a universe of possibilities at our fingertips and freedom of expression in the palm of our hands. From the "I'll be home lates" to the "can't wait to see yous," our words tell our stories. Jorge Luis Borges said, "Language is not, as we are led to suppose by the dictionary, the invention of academicians or philologists. Rather, it has been evolved through time by peasants, by fishermen, by hunters, by riders." Because we know that when all's said and done, we only really regret the words left unsaid. It's time to say what you really mean. It's time to tell your story.